Welcome back to the Strength Training for Fat Loss series. As always, please subscribe so that you can get more up-to-date information on how to lose fat, build muscle and get stronger. In this video, I'm going to go through the chest press and we'll progress this move to the barbell bench press. This is a great exercise to do as it stimulates the chest, shoulders and triceps, making this a key move in your strength training for fat loss arsenal. It's less technique intensive than the lower body moves that we've learned. That said, as with all moves we've looked at so far, setup is key and we'll be going through this in detail to ensure you execute the move as proficiently as possible. The first move we'll start with is the dumbbell chest press. If you're a complete beginner, even the barbell may be too heavy for you, which is why we're starting with this regression. The first thing we need to do is to get the dumbbells up and down safely. So I'll go through that part of the movement first. Stand at the end of the bench, put dumbbells on the floor between the legs, hinge them onto thighs. Sit down and roll back, press up, bring thighs and dumbbells together, use momentum to roll into a seated position, stand up and place quietly on the floor. Now, let's get into technique once you're in a lying down position. Pull shoulder blades together, flare elbows out at around about 75 degrees, ensure forearms are vertical so that the fist is stacked over the elbows. Pull heels into the floor under the knees to activate the glutes and keep the lower body in tension. Brace and push arms up over the eyes, locking out the elbows. Bring hands down so the hands are level with the bottom ribs. Ensure forearms are still vertical. Repeat. Now that you've mastered the dumbbell chest press with light weights, you're probably strong enough to do the barbell bench press. Let's learn the technique for this. The barbell bench press will allow you to go much heavier, which is perfect for increasing strength and muscle mass, which is very important when we're losing fat. Lie on the bench with your eyes under the bar. Elevate the chest and squeeze shoulder blades together. Grab the bar with the pinky on the rings of the bar. Bring feet under the knees. Pull heels into the floor. Straighten arms and unrack until bar is over shoulders. Unrack the bar by straightening your arms. Lower bar to your mid-chest. Tuck your elbows in 75 degrees whilst you lower the weight. Make sure your wrists are straight and your forearms are vertical at the bottom. Keep the elbows in but not against your torso. Keep bar on the middle of the chest. Press bar back above your shoulders. Lock out elbows. Lock the bar over your shoulder joint. Rack, lock out with straight elbows and move the bar back against the rack. When it hits the rack, lower it slowly into the uprights. That's the bench press technique for you locked in. Please do like, comment if you have any questions or more insights, and subscribe to the channel to get more content that will help you to lose the belly and love handles whilst building strength, muscle and confidence. See you in the next video.